Hello everybody, I just thought I'd give you a little glimpse of the kits I've brought out. I've done the stackables, which there's already a video on that. Then I brought out some journaling cards. I mean, some people, don't get me wrong, you've all purchased, a lot of you have purchased these already. But, you know, some like to see a little video, and I also like to put a little video on Etsy just so that people can actually see what they're getting. This one's called the Winter Journaling Cards. Okay. So, some images here. Some of these are from my own stash, actually. I'll keep them flat. I hope you can see. Not too big. There we go. Okay. I can't remember how many sheets. That's that one there. Just a mix, because I tend to use things like this, so I quite like them. And I do incorporate now and then pre-shrunk down for you, because I think, you know, with a lot of people doing snippets and embellishments, they're quite handy. This one has only done shrunk once, I think, but another kit I brought out, I've done it twice, so they are quite small. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like a 6. So that's the main images. Yeah, and then I've shrunk them down here. Some of them, not all of them. And that's 2 to a page. That's 2 to a page, just to help a bit. And then you could do, if you shrank these down again, use these 2 pages, you'd get them even smaller. Do 2 to a page again, and then they would be half the size of what they are now. Great. So that one's that. Then I brought out the collage kit, which I done the collage for this using mainly my own papers and a few bits of ephemera. So people have been asking about scanning in my collage work and everything, so I just brought a little kit. It's only got 3 pages, but I've added bonuses. I've kept this very cheap, if you know what I mean. So I thought it'd come in handy for different things. And I've used some William & Morris in the background there. So, and you can add to this. You know, this is just a sort of background layer. So I didn't want to add too much else, because I think it's good for you to do that. Because to say, if you do a journal cover, then you want to add your own thing there. Then if you do an envelope, you know, then it'll work out okay for an envelope. And that is the other one there. Yeah, incorporated the William Morris, which I think is really lending itself to looking quite Christmassy. So that's the 3. Then I made some pre-tags for you, which may help. So 2 sheets of those. I thought I'd done 3 actually. Yeah, I thought I did. Perhaps not. I think there is 3 sheets of tags actually. Then I shrunk them down. No, there is 3. Look. Yeah. So I have one missing. Oh well. There's 3 of those. Bigger ones of that one there. Okay, with the red in. I couldn't print. I think I printed this before I'd finished the kit. That's what it was. Sorry to confuse you. That's the bonus pages. And then that's the other 2 sheets shrunk down as well. And then I just put in a jumbo envelope and the bonus background. That is very useful. Yeah. Sorry about the confusion with that one. I am very easily confused. Right, and what else was it? Oh yeah, and this one I'm just gonna release now because I needed them for myself. So I put a load together and I've shrunk them down so that you can just, for ease of printing. But this 6 sheets with the cards on. There's that one. from there. And it's just a mix. It's all sorts really, but I've kept them as is because sometimes I think they can, you know, look nice. And then I've done, I think that's 2 pages of 2. Sorry, this is the smaller ones. This is where I get confused. Yep, and that's some shrunk down once. So there should be 3 pages of those. Oh, it was that one. Yeah, and that one there. Then shrunk down again for your snippets and everything. Because I've got 6 sheets, and then I shrunk down the one that's got 2 on. Okay, so I only had 3. Yeah, so what I done with that space there, I just put some of the little elements that I've done in some kits already, but I just thought it filled in. So there. Okay, so that's those. So plenty there. I'm going to cut all these out now because I want to be using them in some snippet rolls and things. Well, not snippet rolls, in some little snippet or sort of little things that I need to do, embellishments and stuff. I'm just wondering, we could go down again. Half of that. That will be small, but they might come in handy. Yeah, okay. Well, I'll speak to you all soon, and thank you very much for your continued support, and have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.